morning, guys. Sorry I look such a mess. So, just woken up, literally just gotten out of my bed. Time is 20 minutes past 10 on Sunday. It is my day off. I did hurt my back, so I'm actually off work right now. So I'm just going to show you guys how I make my protein smoothie for the morning. So first things first, I have a Philips mixer, and it's a protein breakfast smoothie, so I do tend to put my oats in there. So what I do is I take, I have no idea what that's doing in there. So I have the Scottish porridge oats, and I take a couple of spoonfuls of that, probably about 3 spoonfuls. I do like my oats. I'll just add an extra one. It's a Sunday, why not? I need the power. Okay, so that's my oats in there. I'll just put that aside. Next, I like to put my fruit. So I had strawberries, and I'll just get my fruit from any store. My favourite is Asda. It depends where me and my boyfriend picks it up from. So I just cut up my strawberries. I will probably use all of these actually. So I just cut these up. I think a protein smoothie in the morning is a really good way to get your protein in. I know that for me, sometimes I don't want to eat chicken, or I don't want to eat beef. I don't want to eat meaty things. So for me, it's important to get in as much protein as I can in the mornings, and that usually results in me having a smoothie. So that's all the good strawberries out of here. They're so small. Look how small they are. Yeah, so that's all the ones I'm going to use from there. And then I like to take my grapes. So for grapes, I use either grapes or blueberries, but I don't have any blueberries, so I'm going to use grapes. So sometimes I cut them in half, sometimes I don't. I don't think I'm even going to bother. Now, I don't go overboard with grapes, because too much grapes can give me an upset tummy. So I'll just keep it on the low. Something else I've added recently to my smoothie is also an avocado. I think an avocado just makes it that extra creamier if you don't want to put any yogurt or anything in it. So I think that's enough grapes for me. I'll just pop them back in the fridge. I'll then get my banana and my avocado. So yesterday I used the other half of the avocado, so I'm just going to take out the stone. Oh. And I just get the spoon and I come right in there. It's so ripe, so it's so easy. In avocados, the fat is so good for you. It's a good fat, it's not a bad fat, unlike saturated fats. So yeah, I just like to put avocado in. I think it makes it so creamy. Banana. My bananas go really ripe in my house just because it's warm all of the time. So I just like to chop it up into my... Now for the juice, because currently it's so thick it won't do anything. So also I haven't put the protein in yet. So what I like to do is take some ALPRO soy milk. So you can make it water-based with ice, or you can make it yogurt-based if you want creamier. But since I already have the avocado in there, I don't want to be overboard with cream and like unnecessary fats and sugars, so I'm just going to pour maybe half of a cup of soy milk. So I think that's enough for me. I think soy milk has so much benefits for me. Dairy gives me a sore tummy. So that's what I put in like the food and the fruit wise. Then I take my protein powder. So this one is the Mix Nutrition, and it's a diet and tone diet protein. This is the really lean green tea protein, so it's for weight management. I just take it for the protein because each serving has 21 grams. So if I put 2 servings in here, that's 41 grams of protein. And it is the strawberry flavour. I do have another one which is the chocolate, and that's a totally different brand. I had the chocolate yesterday and I found it really sweet, so I'm going to give the strawberry a try today. So I've just put 2 scoops of that in. Yeah, so I just put that back in the cupboard. In there, put my soy milk away. So that's everything is in there ready to mix. I need a lid. I'll just get this lid and I turn it on like this. So I just have my mixer here, so it might be a bit loud, so we might just beat this bit. So it just clicks on, and there's a pulse, a 1 and a 2, and I just pulse it. And I like to get a spoon and just mix it through because sometimes I feel like it isn't mixed properly. That's just me. Not everyone has to do that because it is protein powder in there, and I don't like it when it's like not mixed properly. So I just tend to like go right in there, give it a wee taste, see if it's missing anything. Oh, it is sweet. Maybe it's because I put 2 things in. That's me done. I just took that out and I just use the same glasses I put soy milk in. Today it's really thick actually. So I usually eat it with a spoon anyway because it is a breakfast smoothie. Whatever's left I tend to put in a glass, and if I fancy it later, I'll just have it later. So there is a little bit left. So I'm just going to pop it in a glass. I think that one's going to be too small. Pop it in this one. It's so thick today. I think it's that protein powder. Probably the second time I've tried it and it's just so thick. It's like half melted ice cream. Yeah, so I think I'll probably just... So if you ever want a smoothie at my house, just so creamy. And then I just tend to, oh, there's a bit on the thing. So I will be eating that. And I just cling film up this one and I'll just have it later if I want a snack, because it's nutritious and it's good, so it's better than having a chocolate bar. So this is like my 5th video on YouTube, so I am trying to make my videos longer, but I'm trying to not make it longer so it's boring. So if you guys have any ideas at all of what you want me to do, I just thought a lot of people do their breakfast routine, so I just thought I'd do mine.